today we're at the fundraising event for Chris Lysak's legal costs. Although he is out, he's still in debt $80,000. Does it look like the process is the punishment?
Absolutely, the process is a certain amount of punishment, but it's also a deterrent. It's a message to the rest of us to be deterred from standing up. We can't do that. We can't stand back. And we have to remember, when these boys come out, they may still have these residual lawyer bills, but they need to start life over. Everything's been taken to negative something for them, not just zero, down below. And they need the counseling, the support to bring them forward.
What Mr. Lysak has been through is a travesty in and of itself. Incarcerated for, I believe, 721 days on what ended up being a very minor conviction, improper storage of a firearm. Not only did Chris lose his freedom for over 2 years, he also incurred significant debts and the loss of his income, but also the inability to move forward because this debt's hanging over his head. The remaining $80,000 that's owed of a over $300,000 bill is something that we're working to clear up, and I really hope that everybody takes a moment and realizes that this man stood for all of us, and this man incurred and suffered the cost of what anybody really could have been forced to deal with due to an out-of-control government, enforcement, and judiciary. So I hope that people take a moment. There's ways to donate to Chris Lysak's campaign. He has his Facebook. There's the ability to e-transfer. And let's help this man get back on his feet and clear up this debt that's hanging over his head.
This trial is a microcosm of our whole society. It's like a weed. I do some gardening, and the quack grass is moving in on the edge of the garden, and you don't even notice it. And over the years, if you didn't do anything about the quack grass, it would eventually take over the whole garden. And that's kind of the way things happen. They happen very slowly, and you don't notice it until it possibly is too late. Hopefully that we'll never be in that situation where it's too late.